I am going to show you how to set 1 year goals, specifically SMART goals, so that way you have something to work towards for the next 12 months. Welcome to Efficiency and Organization, where we talk a lot about being productive, being well managed with time, being efficient, and setting good goals and plans to be able to achieve a lot in life. Goals is a big area for me because to be organized in life and to get a lot done, to make the best out of it, if you will, we have to have some really good long-term goals, and we also have to have some short-term goals. So these are going to be 1 year goal examples. Now, they are specifically SMART goals because SMART goals are very specific and they have a number tied to them. They are measurable. So that way you can have like a deadline and you could track for yourself on a weekly basis or even bi-weekly basis how you are doing with the goals. For example, a good 1 year goal could be that you are going to reduce your debt from $10,000 to $8,000. See how there's a number tied to it, right? It's very measurable. And you could say you want to do this in 12 months. So then you could say, okay, wait, that means I'm going to reduce my debt by $2,000. How much? How am I going to do this? Then you come up with the action plans that you're going to do every month to do it. Maybe you can come up with 2 or 3 action plans as to how you're going to make this goal happen. So there's a form that I use that you can download. I will have the link to it in the description of the video, but you don't have to use my form. You can make your own. But basically what you need are a couple of things, okay? Number 1, you need to write your SMART goal. Number 2, the action plans. Number 3, you have to print and put it somewhere highly visible, somewhere prominent. That way you can refer to it once a week. You can refer to it once every 2 weeks, because this is the only way you're going to hold yourself accountable. If you don't write it, your chances are going to be diminishing of actually achieving the goal, because writing helps to increase your chances of achievement. If you don't put it somewhere where you could refer to frequently, out of sight, out of mind, you're going to forget about it. So again, it's got to be something like that where you can refer to it frequently. So download the one I have, or if you want, just make your own. But whatever you do, put it somewhere where you could refer to frequently. Another goal I suggest you think about adopting is traveling to perhaps 2 national parks a year. So in the next 12 months, you could say, I want to visit 2 national parks. If you do 3, even better. If you do 4, even better. It depends. You have to take these ideas I'm giving you and make them your own. Next, you can say that you want to read 12 books in 12 months. This would be an awesome goal, and what kind of books depends on you, but it would be nice to implement a goal like this, just for your own personal and professional development. You could set a goal that says you want to adopt a dog within the next 6 months or within the next year. So getting a dog is obviously a lot of work. It's an investment. So you have to take some time to think about what kind of a dog, indoor, outdoor, small, big, the dietary needs and such, the personalities. So it's not let's just go and get a dog, right? So to plan it, you could set a goal that within the next year, this is what I'm going to do. This is what my family is going to do. You could set a SMART goal that you're going to move to a different apartment, or that you're going to sell your current home and move to another home for whatever reason in the next year. But this would be a good 1 year goal to implement, because something like that takes time, takes planning, preparation, so that way you could be ready and you can have a specific deadline for when you want to have it happen. There are so many good goals that you can choose from. These were just 5 examples. I will have the link to the All About Goals page on efficiency and organization. Please check out that page because it has some really good examples of other goals that you can pick, specifically SMART goals. And also there are other videos on efficiency and organization on this YouTube channel that you can get and use. I have a lot on this topic that's very helpful to people. So subscribe here, subscribe on the website, and just get the information that you need to push ahead with your goals. I will catch you in the next video.